Snow in June, crops failed, people starved. 1816 was the year the world froze without warning. Let's uncover 50 chilling facts. Known as the year without a summer, 1816 turned the world upside down. Weather chaos, famine, darkness, and one volcanic eruption behind it all. Let's dive into the coldest mystery in history. It began with a monstrous roar, Mount Tambora in Indonesia, unleashing fury unlike anything seen before. Millions of tons of ash and sulfur dioxide were blasted into the atmosphere, a dark cloud encircling the globe. Sunlight, the lifeblood of our planet, was choked out. A volcanic winter descended, gripping the world in its icy grasp. Chapter 4: Plunging Temperatures. Across the northern hemisphere, temperatures plummeted. A bone-chilling cold settled in, defying the very seasons. Chapter 5: June Snow. Imagine the shock snow falling in June, an impossible sight in the northeastern United States, yet a chilling reality. Chapter 6: The Unending Frost. In New England, the grip of winter refused to release. Every single month, frost painted the land silver. Chapter 7. Across Europe and North America, crops withered and died. A silent killer emerged, famine, stalking the land. Chapter 8. The year earned a chilling nickname, 1800, and froze to death, a stark testament to its brutality. Chapter 9. Hope dwindled with each passing day. In Vermont, farmers abandoned their barren lands seeking survival westward. Even the birds, those symbols of freedom, succumbed. They fell from the sky, starved and frozen, a haunting silence left behind. Rivers and lakes, normally shimmering under the summer sun, lay imprisoned beneath a thick layer of ice. A sinister sight. Snow, not white but red. Volcanic ash carried by the winds painted the landscape a macabre hue. Chapter 13. The Sun's Demise. The sun, usually a beacon of warmth, was a pale, distant orb. The sky, even at midday, was choked with brown and red. Chapter 14. Frankenstein's Birth. Trapped indoors by the relentless gloom, Mary Shelley penned a masterpiece, Frankenstein, born from a year of darkness. Chapter 15. Darkness Reigns. Lord Byron, too, found inspiration in the chilling atmosphere. His poem, Darkness, captured the eerie skies and icy grip of 1816. The consequences were dire. Europe reeled from the worst famine of the 19th century, a direct result of the volcanic winter. Hunger knows no law. Riots and looting erupted in cities across the globe as desperation gripped the hearts of many. Oats, a staple food, became a luxury. Prices skyrocketed, crippling transport and pushing the starving closer to the brink. Malnutrition weakened immune systems, paving the way for another horror typhus. The epidemic spread like wildfire. Tambora's eruption dwarfed even Krakatoa in sheer power. It was a force of nature unlike any other. Sunsets were unlike any other. The sky blazed with fiery reds and oranges, a breathtaking spectacle with a sinister origin. Global temperatures plummeted by 0.7 to 1.3 degrees Celsius. A seemingly small change, yet enough to unleash chaos upon the world. Even in the distant east, the cold was inescapable. The Chinese dubbed it the Year of Bitter Cold, a fitting tribute. France, known for its exquisite wines, saw its vineyards ravaged. The cold and relentless hail spared no one. India too felt the wrath of Tambora. Floods and famines swept the nation, leaving millions grappling with devastation. As if famine wasn't enough, the weakened population faced a new threat: cholera. The pandemic began in 1817, fueled by the chaos. In Switzerland, the struggle for survival took a dark turn. Starving farmers, desperate to feed their families, resorted to eating cats and dogs. Germany, heavily reliant on potatoes, faced disaster. The potato crop failed on a massive scale, deepening the food crisis. Even in England, desperation set in. Families, stripped of their livelihoods, were reduced to eating grass to survive. The cold was relentless. Cattle and sheep, unable to withstand the freezing temperatures, perished in the fields. The world looked to its leaders for guidance, but help was slow to come. Monarchs and governments struggled to comprehend the scale of the disaster. Necessity, they say, is the mother of invention. The need to preserve food in the face of scarcity spurred technological advancements. Even war had to wait. The lack of a proper summer threw military campaigns across Europe into disarray. Napoleon's once mighty army, now in exile, suffered the cruel irony. The unusually cold conditions added to their misery. In America, a new phenomenon emerged: climate refugees. People fled their homes, seeking better conditions in the West. Fear and superstition ran rampant. New religious movements emerged, proclaiming the events as divine punishment. The sun, dimmed by the volcanic haze, revealed a secret. Sunspots, usually invisible to the naked eye, became visible. Hunger drove wild animals from their natural habitats. They ventured into towns and cities, desperate for sustenance. The delicate balance of nature was disrupted. Insects, crucial for pollination, died off, further impacting agriculture. Canada experienced its coldest year on record. The icy grip of the volcanic winter spared no corner of the globe. The effects were felt even on a geological scale. Glaciers, normally slow-moving giants, advanced more rapidly in parts of Europe. The year 1816, with its eerie atmosphere and unsettling events, became a wellspring of inspiration for Gothic literature and apocalyptic visions. In Pennsylvania, a chilling testament to the Cold Lake ice remained unmelted for the entire year, a stark reminder of the disrupted seasons. Tambora's roar. The power of Tambora's eruption was staggering. Its roar was heard over 1,200 miles away, a testament to its destructive force. Lavender skies. The skies themselves became a canvas for the unusual. The sun often appeared blue or lavender, its light scattered by volcanic particles. The atmospheric chaos unleashed a torrent of extreme weather. Tornadoes and freak storms became increasingly common in the United States. The cold and famine had a ripple effect. Poverty tightened its grip across Europe, forcing many to flee their homes. The events of 1816 sparked a new wave of scientific curiosity. Researchers began to study the interconnectedness of climate and volcanoes. The term climate change, now a familiar phrase, entered the lexicon during this period, highlighting a growing awareness of our planet's vulnerability. 1816, the year without a summer, serves as a chilling reminder. Its mysterious effects are still studied today, helping us prepare for the potential impact of future super-eruptions. One volcano, one eruption, and the entire planet changed. 1816 reminds us just how fragile Earth's balance can be. The year without a summer is a stark warning from the past. A reminder that even in the face of nature's fury, humanity endures, adapts and learns. If you love this journey into frozen history, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more shocking true stories from the past.